My name's Helen Hoyle and I'm the head teacher at Howardian Primary School in Cardiff. Health and wellbeing is a core value of our school, and since we opened in 2015 we've actively encouraged the children to walk, scoot, cycle. It's really important for physical wellbeing, mental wellbeing, and it's also really important for the environment. Obviously, if people are choosing to walk, scoot or cycle to school, they're not using cars. It also means that people are using public transport, which is really important because if more people use public transport, that will also reduce emissions and it reduces stress and anxiety, and it makes the school environment much safer because there are a lot fewer cars on the road. The Mental Health Foundation have shown that physical activity reduces stress and anxiety, and then it makes children feel happier in school, and so they perform better socially and academically. Everyone can take part. It's very, very inclusive. You don't need anything to do it. All you need to do is to be able to walk to school. Or if you've got a bike or a scooter, you can use that. Everyone can take part, so it's a really inclusive scheme.